Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Fadila from University of Muhammadiyah Jakarta. I'd love to present our research for the 5th Asian Education Symposium 2020. Hypercontent book virus, an alternative for learning at higher grades of elementary school in the middle of COVID-19 pandemic. First of all, I will explain why we conduct the research. Viruses are the most important entity in the world and take part in many episodes of human history. They are the super small size half-living thing can only be observed in laboratory research. Learning about viruses have limitation on various levels of school. The educational media virus in the form of electronic book is an alternative to increase the knowledge attitudes, even the practice of high-grade elementary school. The research team compiled a hypercontent book titled Virus, Know It, Avoid It on March 2020. The book was launched in early April 2020 and was reserved for high-grade elementary school teachers. The electronic book disseminated through social media and web links at fkm.umj.ac.id. The research is aimed at assessing whether the teacher as a facilitator can apply the book, especially in the midst of a COVID-19 pandemic that results in learning activities performed at home. This survey was conducted online. The questionnaire contains characteristic information and the experience of providing education about viruses in elementary school. A total of 69 responses collected. Most of the respondents are women, aged 20 years or younger, and graduated from high school or currently studying at bachelor degree. Unfortunately, more than 88% of respondents were not teaching in high school classes and had no children at the age of 10 to 12 years. The research found that positive evaluation expressed about the content component, clarity, and completeness of material explanation, the order of material, as well as understandable and accuracy of the title. Each material has a video as an illustration and explanation. In total, there are 8 videos with a duration of each between 5 to 15 minutes. Some notes primarily related to the material presented in the video. Although in general, respondents assess that the whole material is very interesting and easy to understand, but some consider the language to be less suitable for higher grade elementary school students. Keep in mind that this book is the teacher's grade. So, for the conclusion, a book, Virus, Know It, Avoid It, got positive valuation from almost all of the respondents. It is highly potential to be one of the alternatives to be implemented in the elementary school level during COVID-19 pandemic and continued in the future. The COVID-19 pandemic is contextually relevant to the material discussed and the media developed. Video as complement and explanatory is very supportive for the learning process so that it becomes more interesting. So thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.